When I saw these fluffy braids on Pinterest and YouTube, I knew I had to recreate them. I combined that with this trending braiding pattern and I got this gorgeous hairstyle. So here's how the process went. I had washed, detangled, moisturized, deep conditioned, everything. I had primed and stretched my hair before I started. This is very important because your hair is going to need to be stretched in order to do this. And you want your hair to already be moisturized before you stretch it out, because if it is already stretched and then you moisturize your hair, it is going to shrink back. Next, I'll use my rat tail comb to part the top half of my hair. Well, not half really. I'm going to start from about the tip of my ear and go from one side straight across to the other. I know I already mentioned that I detangled my hair, but my hair is really soft and likes to coil in on itself. So yeah, you are going to see me struggle with parting, but it's all going to be fine. Once I'm done parting and I'm convinced that everything is all right, I'm going to use my scrunchies to do something like the banding method, but I don't really have bands, so I just use scrunchies to do it instead, and it works just as efficiently, as you'll see later in this video. So next I'm going to section off the nape area of my hair, and I'm not using any mirror in any way. This is entirely the work of deduction, estimation and deduction. So yeah, I'm going to divide it into two because I want the sections to be large. I want the braids to be thick. I do not trust in the thickness of my hair, and you know, this fluffy braid style usually looks really good when it looks really thick, like really big huge sections. So the key to the fluffy braids is that you start off like tight, like normal braid, right? And then after a few stitches, then you start braiding super loosely. As you can see, very loosely. It's like you're not even trying to actually like get the braid done. And then towards the end of the braid, you're just going to either twist or just like twirl the end of your hair in your fingers, and voila, we have a fluffy braid. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your condo lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. And now it is time for the intricate cornrows. I literally had to go back to my source material for this. Like, it was so complicated. I had to really, sit down and look at the inspo very well. And then I got to recreating the hairstyle. By the way, you're going to need to already know how to cornrow if you want to recreate this hairstyle. So if you don't know how to do actual cornrows, then I'm going to link my cornrow tutorial in the description, and it's probably on the screen right now in the cards. I'm also going to link it in the end screen, so if you don't want to skip out of this tutorial, it's waiting for you at the end of the video, I promise.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. And we are done. Come on. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So fluffy. So fluffy. What? Where? Oh my gosh. Of course, I'm going to oil my scalp. I do not play when it comes to scalp care, okay? Plus, with the way my scalp is exposed, I need to at least make it look very shiny. So And this is the final result, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Let me know if you are going to recreate this hairstyle. And for those who need it, the cornrow tutorial is on the screen. See you in my next one.